Hello everyone, and this is our bonus video for the SSH brute force section, and in this video I will demonstrate how you can install Metasploitable as a virtual machine. Alright, so there are a few things that you need to do. First of all, you need to open up your Google Chrome and type in the Metasploitable name inside of your search bar. Then you should navigate to the first link, which will be the sourceforge.net Metasploitable download, click on it, and simply click on this green download button. It will start downloading this zip file, which is around 800 megabytes large, and once it has finished, then you can extract it to the desktop, or simply just move it to the desktop, create a new folder, call that folder, for example, Metasploitable, paste this zip file into that folder, then we want to extract all of the files inside of this folder that we created. Now this will take a few seconds to finish, and we should receive the metasploitable.vmdk file, which then we will use in order to create our virtual machine with all the vulnerable softwares. Now, the only thing we need from this virtual machine is the SSH client, so once again, if you have any SSH service running on any other machine, you don't really need to do this. You can perform the SSH brute force on any SSH machine that you manage to find, and of course that you have the permission to test on. Alright, so this is finished. We got this file right here, and you will see a couple of files in which we are interested in this Metasploitable file, which is .vmdk. It is the size of 1.79 gigabytes, and right now we need to open up our VirtualBox, click on New, put in a name for your virtual machine, for example, let's call it Metasploit, and make sure that under the type you set Linux, and under the version you set all the way down other Linux 64-bit. Click on Next. 512 megabytes is more than enough for this machine, so click on Next. And instead of going with the create a virtual hard disk now, as we did with the Kali Linux machine, we want to go to the use an existing virtual hard disk file. Click on this, and right here click on this icon, where it will open this video, where you can simply just find your Metasploitable VMDK file and use it as your hard disk. Since I don't have it right here, I want to go to the add, then I want to navigate to the desktop, to the Metasploitable, and then this file, and here it is, the metasploitable.vmdk. Click on open, try to find it right here, here it is. I will simply just double click on it, it will automatically set it right here, and I will click on create. As soon as that has finished, we also want to set the network settings that we used in the Kali Linux. We also want to set it in the Metasploitable as well, so go to the bridge adapter and set the Ethernet cable connection, and once again make sure cable connected is checked. Click on OK, and now you can start the machine. So I will simply just click on start, and you will notice that this actual machine doesn't take too long to install. It will take just 2 or 3 minutes possibly, and then we are ready to proceed with our brute forcer for the SSH service. Alright, so it says starting up right here. It will automatically download and install all of the stuff and all the softwares that it needs, so we don't really have to do anything. All we need to do is to log into the machine once it has finished installing everything. Alright, so we are going to wait for that to finish, and here it is already over. It is asking us for the login, and you will notice that above the actual login, it tells us that the username and password is msfadmin and msfadmin. So let's go right here and type msfadmin, and as a password as well msfadmin. Clear the screen, since this is just a command line machine, and if I type ifconfig, I make sure that we are in the same local area network with the IP address of 192.168.1.3, and this is basically it. We successfully downloaded and installed Metasploitable virtual machine. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye!